Yusran, and I will present my final project, which is the Rehabilitation Center for Endangered Marine Species. Turtles are one of the endangered marine species in Malaysia, which extinct mostly caused by human hands. Therefore, they need to be conserved and protected. So, the site which is assigned for the Turtle Rehabilitation Center is Site C, which is located in Kampung Ceruk Paluh, Kuantan. Site synthesis. The site received the best view on the northeast side. Therefore, having an open space and using glass could give the visitors to enjoy the view. Planting more trees in the north will help as a natural buffer zone. Integrating the building with some plants inside and outside, the circulation should be near the entrance. Precedent studies have been done by studying these three buildings, which are Whitney Laboratory Sea Turtle Hospital, National Marine Life Center, and CRAM Foundation. From these buildings, I found out that the separation of privacy could be done by separating the level, using linear organization, and have a green wall. For the case studies, the best material for the hatchery area is a shading net, while concrete is the best material for the pond. Having a curvy roof could reflect more solar radiation and remain low indoor temperature. A secondary skin facade not only gives an impressive touch on the building, but also could act as a shading device and could regulate low indoor temperature. My concept is Herculean, which means strong, hard, or requiring great strength of effort. That is inspired by the turtle shell skeleton. It refers to the structure of the building which protects the people inside. It also means the difficulties of the turtles in surviving. Not only that, it also refers to the heavy responsibilities in conserving this species, because turtles are also Allah's creation. It is our responsibility to conserve and do good deeds in this world. The spaces provided are based on their functions, which are management or administration, education, conservation, public facilities, and services. This is the matrix diagram that shows the essential, preferred, and exceptional of the spaces. Moving on, as we know, the site is located in Kampung Ceruk Paluh, Kuantan, which near to the NSM. The zoning is determined by the neighborhood context, public, semi-public, and private. The first floor is for the private area. So the design starts from the zoning division, then it is developed by connecting two parts and adding another space. Then some parts were lifted for double volume space and first floor. Half of the space is lowered to have a lower ceiling. Lastly, an open space towards the view and the roof is modified to be curvy. From the site plan, people could enter the site from the southwest and could drop off the passenger at the main entrance, then go to the parking. For services purposes, the vehicles could park here, which is near to the services room. Going on to the ground floor, the visitor could be entertained at the lobby and waiting or resting with an indoor waterfall inside. They also could go to the courtyard or open cafeteria from there. Then, they could enjoy learning by exploring the exhibition space and reading at the reading area. Next, from the lobby, also they could access the toilet and musala. The staff or researchers can access the research center and laboratory for research purposes. Tanks are located near to the laboratory. Services are provided behind the research center, and the pump room is beside the lab. Moving on to the first floor, after climbing up the stairs, the staff lounge can be seen, which is near to the toilet. Next, the meeting room, manager office, and staff room. An emergency staircase is provided here for safety purposes. This is how the building looks like from the gate entrance. The view towards the building from the sea. And this is the final model of this project. Moving on to the elevation, this is the northeast elevation, which the columns and beams were highlighted to integrate with the concept. The southwest elevation that shows the wall cladding, and the northwest elevation. From section X, we could see the double volume of the exhibition space, and from section Y, we could see the courtyard with a water fountain. Next, construction details which use column and beam structure. The details shown were at the launch area where has a waterfall wall and a green wall on the other side. The foundation used is a deep foundation with concrete piles connected with two-way concrete floor slab with vinyl flooring on it. Concrete masonry as the wall clad with concrete for the waterfall wall. Inside the concrete, there is pipework which allows the water to pump up and fall to the water table. On the other side, a green wall unit is used to put the plants inside. Next, the wall is connected with bowstring steel trusses by the beam and metal plate. Insulation is installed between the purlins before it is layered with a metal deck roof. Lighting has been studied in two spaces which are at the cafeteria and exhibition area. The lighting methods and techniques used are concealed lighting at the food storage and cabinets, suspended lighting at night, and natural light during the day. Task lighting technique is used in the food preparation area. The recommended lux for sufficient illumination is 200. In creating ambience, natural light is used. Downward and upward light is also used. As the energy efficiency, maximizing natural light and using the LED bulb, the electricity could be reduced. Next, the exhibition area used concealed lighting and luminous ceiling as the methods. An angled lighting technique is used to read the information boards. The recommended lux for sufficient illumination is 300 to 500. Highlighting, backlighting, and crazing are used to create ambience. As for energy efficiency, LED and sensor detector is used to save the electricity. That's all from me. Thank you.